Today, I'm breaking down the new CCW Concealed Carry Weapon Laws in California for 2026, what's changed, what's coming, and how it affects permit holders. First, expanded CCW licensing rules. California is updating how CCW permits are issued, and some of these changes take effect in 2026. Under new regulations, the state will require fingerprint submission and updated identification details on licenses. And authorities must notify the licensing agencies if someone's legal status changes due to an arrest or prohibition from owning firearms. Also, counties may charge additional processing fees for renewals. 2. Non-resident applications. Starting in April 2025, non-California residents can apply for a California CCW by meeting training and travel intent requirements. This change continues to 2026 and opens up permit opportunities for out-of-state applicants who frequently travel into California. 3. More stringent application requirements. Bills like AB 1078, expected to become law on January 1st, 2026, set new application standards, including detailed live fire training, comprehensive background checks, and stricter disqualifiers such as recent restraining orders or substance abuse issues. Fingerprinting for renewals also expands. 4. Sensitive places and carry restrictions. CCW permits in California traditionally include sensitive place restrictions, areas where carrying firearms is prohibited even with a CCW. Recent enforcement guidance and judicial decisions have kept some of these restrictions in effect, including places like bars, parks, and transportation hubs despite legal challenges. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.